Good morning, YouTube. Happy Thanksgiving. Today we are about to smoke a turkey for the first time. This is my master built smoker. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So I've been reading, set the temperature at 225 for about 6 hours till the temperature reaches 165. That's what I've been reading online. So we're gonna go ahead and set the temperature now. And this is gonna be the first time, so hopefully it turns out good. And this is a nice master built smoker. If you guys don't have one, go get yourself one. It does the job. Okay, so 125, and the time we'll put right now, we'll just put 6 hours. Let's go ahead and let this start warming up. All right, good to go. So this is the master built smoker inside. Can't see, it's a little dark right now. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna get a head start. Gotta go ahead and put some water in here and then put the turkey in here. Hopefully it fits. It's a 12-pound turkey. All right, let's go ahead and start prepping everything. Okay, so this is the turkey we're gonna smoke. Gonna prep it right now. This is the ingredients I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put garlic powder. I'm gonna spray it with a shit. My fault. I dropped the butter spray. So I'm gonna put some butter spray right here, and then on the outside, I'm gonna use this as a rub, and then on the inside, I'm gonna inject it with this. This is a butter injectable that's gonna go in the inside of this. As you can see, the turkey is about 12 pounds, and it comes with this little dot. So once that this little lever pops up, that means your turkey is done. But we're still gonna make sure the temperature reaches 165 on the inside. That's what I've been reading online, and you know, hopefully my turkey turns out good. All right, so let's go ahead and start prepping this up right now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and spray it real quick. A little bit of butter. It's like use the rub. So far, so good. A lot of seasoning on that, each side. Let's coat both sides here.
Now remember guys, this is my first time smoking a turkey. Get a good rub on here. Okay, alright. Looks good.
Now let's add a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little bit, not too much. Not too much. We don't want it, overpowering the turkey. Just a little bit, just put on top. Okay. All right, now we're gonna inject it with this, some butter. So we're gonna try to put it all around the legs, you know, the thighs, the breast, everything that we can put this injection in. Go ahead and start here. See how it puffs up? That means that sucker is going in. Okay. Let's put some more. Careful when you handle this, it's very sharp. Oh, you can see it already dripping. All right, so we're gonna do this on the whole bird. Okay, so I chopped up some onions and celery. I'm gonna go ahead and just stuff the turkey with it, you know, make it nice, presentable. Hopefully the onions make it taste good on the inside, the aroma. I mean, it's not like we're gonna eat the inside or anything, but we're gonna put it in. Nice onions in there. Then get the celery. There you go. All right, let's go ahead and throw it in the smoker. Let's take this journey with me, guys. This is gonna be a good turkey, hopefully. Okay, we reached the temperature, 225. I'm gonna go ahead and put the turkey in here now. I already added the water. You can see a little smoke. So I'm gonna put it right inside here. And let's go put it in real quick. Perfect. Perfect fit. All right. Okay, so we got the turkey and the master built. We're gonna go ahead and put some hickory wood chips. This is what I'm gonna be using today. Hickory wood chips. You see it, there you go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use that. Okay, let's go ahead and put our chips inside. We get that nice smoke going. All right, so we're gonna check on this within an hour just to see how it looks. I actually forgot to tell you guys I got the thermometer injected in the bird, so let me know that it's 165 degrees inside of it. Okay, so we'll be right back. We're gonna go ahead and relax and wait for a minute. All right, so we're at 100 degrees inside. We're gonna open it up, take a look at it. Here it is, voila. Wow. There you go. Look at that, nice. Nice looking turkey. We're gonna spray it, spray a little bit more butter. Just a little bit of cooking butter spray, just to keep it moist, so it's not so dry. There you go. Looking good. Looking good. We just add a little bit of more wood chips, so we'll be right back. All right, guys, this is it. The moment of truth. We hit the 165. I turned that off already. So 165, here it is. Here it is, guys. Let's open this up. Look at all that smoke still coming out. Wow. Look at that. Look at this. Man. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open. Put it on the table. Give me 1 second. Just to see how moist it is. I know nobody's here yet, but We're gonna have to check this out real quick. Look at that. You can see the juices flowing right now. Look at the juices. That's crazy. That is crazy. So let's go ahead and just take a test right now. Nobody has to know about this. They won't know. Okay, give me 1 second here. Look at that. Juices flowing. Look at the juices on that. Okay. Man, it has that smoked flavor. It is no joke. No joke. This is amazing. Well, guys, happy Thanksgiving. This is a smoked turkey on my master built smoker. Just want to say thanks for watching. Subscribe. Any comments, go ahead and let me know. And hit the like button.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving again, everybody. Smoked turkey. So I cut the little piece off, but I wanted to show you guys real quick. Look at this. Look at the juices on this. Look at the juices on the turkey. Ready? Look at that. That's what you call a juicy turkey. Look at that. That's the butter that I injected it. Juice is flowing like crazy. This is not a dry turkey. They're gonna be mad when they look at this little piece cut though. They're gonna ask how come I ate already, but man, this is amazing.